Hello. How was your convention?
Okay.
Hi guys, kamusta? Welcome to the 113th Philippine Dental Association Annual Convention and Scientific Sessions at SMX Convention Center in Pasay City, Philippines. That was my first time of attending this type of event. I helped to fix our booth for displaying dental equipments and materials. Tinamo, looks nice now. I was so happy and grateful to be a part of the convention and to be able to see the PDA President's Night. I'll show it to you guys later. I also learned how to use Gavu surgical loops. It's a Korean brand, not French as I thought before. Gavu sounds French. I don't really need it, but it was interesting because I've never experienced it before. I felt like a kid. I was like, wow, what's that? What's that? What's this? Sometimes I just walked around and looked at all of this amazing stuff I don't usually see in my everyday life. Stuff like dental milling machine. Have you ever seen it? It's designed to cut crowns, bridges, and many more things I even don't know. I was also impressed with a 3D dental printer. They say crowns can be made in there in less than 20 minutes. When I was a kid, I was scared of all of these dental instruments and handpieces. Now I'm more curious than afraid. There are 5 function rooms on the second floor where scientific sessions were held. I like its modern design and it's also very spacious. There is IKEA just in front of the building.
The original wax up. This then means you need very little trimming and polishing at the end of the procedure. And even though this is a single shave restoration.
Besides 5 function rooms, there are 14 meeting rooms on the second floor. One of the rooms looked like that, with my favorite coconut cookies, different kinds of polvoron, Filipino egg pie, kiat-kiat, matamis, and nice coffee. Speaking of public speaking, I'm afraid of that. That's why I'm really proud of people who can do it and do it really well. I was nervous instead of the lecturer.
A certificate in Advanced Implantology and Periodontics from the Linhart Continuing Education Program, certificate in Entrepreneurship from the Asian Institute of Management, and a certificate in Dental Implantology Training Program from the Oral Implantology Center at St. Jude Hospital and Medical Center. She also finished her oral surgery and hospital dentistry internship training at the Department of Dentistry in the Philippine General Hospital, University of the Philippines. She is a dentist and proprietor of Tooth Options Dental and Implant Center and the president of Kelco Corp Dental Trading. Please give your kind attention to Dr. Yumul.
We will be discussing dental pain management and analgesics in special populations such as your geriatric patients or what I call them my junior citizen patients.
May quiz ako. Good afternoon, everyone. I hope I didn't put you to sleep. Gising pa ba tayo?
Mefenamic acid do change analgesics, and if so, to what?
Alright. So it depends on what side effects your patient would be feeling. If it's a gastric irritation, we could always, it depends on the level or the intensity of pain that your patient would have.
Congratulations, well done. You know, if I had to speak in front of so many people, I would just pass out. I'm not sure how many people were there in the function room. I know that more than 2,000 people watched the lecture online. One more thing to remember was Japanese themed speakers night. There was a contest and 2 doctors, guess who, chosen as judges. They had to choose the best Japanese kimono costume. They said everyone was great. And finally, President's Night at my favorite Okada.
New favorite song, Rosas. At hindi ako magpapahinga hanggat hindi mo magawang muling maipagmalaki na ikaw ay isang Pilipino.
Dr.Cheryl Y. Del Rosario.
Dr.Cheryl Y. Del Rosario, President of Administrative Year 2022-2023, do hereby accept this gavel and medallion as a symbol of authority as President of the Philippine Dental Association.
I want just two simple words that will provide directions to what I wish for the members of the PDA. And thanks to another remarkable friend, this year's theme was born, PDA Within Reach. You ready? Okay, so please raise your right hand and repeat after me.
And a closer look at the beautiful PDA President's medallion. It looks impressive, right? Well, that's all. 5 days of the convention flew too fast. I enjoyed every part of it. Sometimes it was tiring, but always interesting. Thanks to my friends and my favorite dentist for the opportunity to be a part of this convention. I'm so proud of all of you. Maraming salamat.